Don't throw away old and used boxes and bottles. Turn them into an amazing water dispenser by following these simple steps. To start, we'll take an empty 1-liter soda bottle and using a cutter, remove the bottom part of the bottle. Then, we'll remove the bottle cap and use a hot soldering iron to make a hole in the center of the cap. Next, we'll take a 3-volt miniature water pump and attach a piece of hose to the end, and we'll secure it with a plastic tie. The next step we will take is to take the end of the pump's power cable from the bottom of the bottle. We'll thread the cable's end through the bottle's mouth hole and also through the cap's hole, as shown on the screen. Then we'll put the lid on the mouth and then apply glue to secure the wire on the lid. The next step is to take some cardboard pieces and shape them into rings beforehand, so they fit around the bottle's body. We'll turn the bottle over, and then we'll place 2 ring-shaped pieces here, and 1 ring piece at the bottom. After placing a base like this, stick cardboard around between the base and the ring to give it a nicer design. And finally, we'll glue another piece of cardboard here. Next, we'll pull the hose out from here. Now, we'll take 3 small pieces of cardboard and pierce them with a wooden stick. Then take a wooden paddle and stick it on top like this. After applying glue, we'll attach another stick crosswise. And this is where we'll have the water dispenser lid. And now, we'll take a piece of a box like this, which we should have ready beforehand. We will insert the hose into the hole here and glue it on this part. For better dispensing, we will put a wooden paddle next to the hose. Next, we'll take a 3-volt battery and connect it to the pump that will push the water. And with this, we will have the dispenser ready. We'll lift the lid and fill it with water. First, we'll try by filling a glass. It looks fantastic.